Finally, what will happen? You have done a crime. You have cheated someone. You have done a theft. You lost money in the stock market and you didn't pay your EMIs to the bank. You have even done a murder. Police will take you to the court. For months and years, the case will go on. And finally, if the judge finds that your act is unpardonable, then he'll give a judgment to be hanged till death. That's the final outcome that can happen to anyone for whatever heinous crime that we may commit. Whatever it may go wrong, either by ourselves or otherwise. If that is the case, then why are we in a hurry to die? We have not come to this world on our own. Someone had sent us and we have no right to go on our own will. Every one of us has got a limited time. You don't have to go and sleep on the railway track. You don't have to go and hit the truck. You don't have to hang yourself. You don't have to consume sleeping pills. And you don't have to jump into the river. Tsunami, no need to come. Earthquake, no need to come. Coronavirus, no need to come. Even when you are sleeping, next day morning, if your time is up, you won't get up. Then why the hurry? Suicide is a permanent solution for a temporary problem. Every one of us go through all this cycle, ups and downs, dark and light, praise and rebuke, loss and profits, pass and fail, hit and miss. We have to stand there and wait for the next delivery to hit, but not to end life. Then you say, Jaisma, it is easier said than done. बोलना आसान है, करना मुश्किल है. Absolutely, I agree with you. This I am not telling you, I am telling to myself. You think I am not going through depression, and in fact, I have got bigger depression than all of you. You won't agree. You think the other person is much happier than you. That's what you think, and that's what I think so. But every one of us got our own problems. During the summer, I was supposed to be doing a program in Kathmandu. I was supposed to be in Sydney in Australia. I was supposed to be in Colombo in Sri Lanka. I had a program in Jaipur, Indore, Delhi, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. Huge money I was supposed to make. But then lockdown came. The entire business fully dropped. From conducting big workshops to handling few people online. Lot of bills to pay. If I would have paid people when I promised them, they would have really praised me. But today I am not able to. People will send dirty messages. People will criticize you. People will find fault. People will talk something ill at your back. But such is the world. Such is the way of life. You have to understand that. Little depression if you go through and then you take a decision and then you are not going to come back again to life. So, whenever I talk to myself. Even I go through such kind of dull moments. When I sleep, I think, should I be living the next day? Then I talk to my colleague Vamsi. I read a nice beautiful book. I read one beautiful motivational quotation. I think about all other people who have had bigger problems than me. Then I think, okay, let me try the next one more day. Let me be there to see and fight. Because when we die and when we are gone, people only will post our photograph. They won't even come for a funeral and they write RIP, rest in peace. That's not going to help you, not going to help your family, not going to help anyone in any way. So you have to tell yourself that you have to be there to see through. But the problem actually happens is, you know, heart of hearts that you can fight, but you are worrying what others will think. Relationship breakdown, divorce, love failure, business flop will happen to anybody and everyone. You are not the first person and you will not be the last person. For everyone, it happens. That's okay. What others think is immaterial. What you think about yourself. If you are sincere, if you are genuine, if you are hardworking, if you really wanting to do good to other people, and you should be living another day. Don't bother about other people. What you think about yourself, that makes all the difference to every one of us. Every one of us. So when I talk about memory, I implement everything on my brain. That's how I made so many Guinness World Records. When I talk about any concept, be it physical exercise, be it getting up early in the morning, be it trying to help someone, be it being alive the next day, I'm telling to myself, I apply. Nothing I would like to tell anyone that I don't practice. But imagine, maybe out of 100, everything may not be possible, but 1 or 2 things is absolutely possible, yes or no? So, friends, understand one thing. God will test. The nature will test. Life itself is like that. See, when you are driving on the straight road, it's not so interesting. When the road is up and down, that drive is very exciting. A calm sea can never make a good mariner. A clear sky can never make a good pilot. And a smooth life can never make it exciting. Even your ECG has to go up and down, then your life will be, really running. Understand this aspect. This is what we have been taught in the armed forces. That's the reason why when we go to exhibition, we get into that beautiful giant wheel, and when it is going up and over it, and when it comes down, very happy, right? So that wheel also is taking up and down, and life is also like that. So don't give up. Be there. Let us see what can happen, because even God doesn't judge us till the end of our life. So who are these people to give a judgment about us when we are still alive? Okay, Dhoni is not retired yet. He is not announced retirement yet. So who are you to talk about, Dhoni? We don't even know how to play cricket. And are we really worthy to talk about Dhoni? So understand one thing, that life is all about ups and downs, success and failures. It is okay to fail. But only thing is, when you fall, can you get up one more time? Then you have fallen. That will make you a winner. I am telling this to me and to you, to all of us. Live another day, fight another day, and die in the battlefield. That life is really worth. People will talk about you. So don't give up and then run away, unable to face problems, right? And that is the true character of a soldier. Jai Hind.